Magandang araw mga kaape. Ako po ay si Ryan Chua and today papakita po namin sa inyo ang aming Piaggio Ape drive-away chassis flatbed type. Ito po ay perfect para sa mga mahilig sa mga modifications dahil endless po ang customization options nito. Whether you want it to be a closed van type, delivery purposes, or any business modifications. Makita nyo ang ating flatbed. Perfect po siya for any modifications because it is highly customizable. For our basic features, ito po ang ating windshield for clear visibility, ang ating windshield wipers, ang ating headlamps, front fender, at dito po ay ang ating anti-dive suspension for better shock absorption. Ang wheel size po natin ay 4x10. Makita natin dito ang ating provision for speakers, yung controls natin for our headlamp, for our windshield wiper, at ang ating switch for hazard. Dito po ang ating charging port, ang ating gauges. We have here our gear shift and clutch. On the right side, our throttle. We have our high beam, low beam, our signal lights, and our horn. Dito naman tayo sa baba, makita niya ating levers. We have our reverse cable, our decompressor cable, and our stop for engine cutoff. We also have brakes. Ito po ang ating foot brake at ang ating handbrake. Makita nyo ang ating spare tire, just in case for emergencies, water bottle compartment, and our battery. Okay, para po sa ating ape na ito, meron po tayong engine power of 3,600 RPM. Meron po tayong displacement of 435cc and a max payload of 535 kilograms. Dito po makita natin ang ating fuel tank. Meron po siyang fuel. Makita natin engine liters for diesel fuel and a fuel efficiency of 36 kilometers per liter.